Have a seat.
So you like cats, huh?
I like puzzles. I picked up the habit during my incarceration. It helps clear the mind.
Well, good for you. I'm still making wine in my toilet myself.
How many others on the Reddington team?
So the breakout went according to plan?
Yes, it did. Thanks to you. If you hadn't gone to that young man in prison,